everyone, welcome back. In this session, we'll be discussing about one more example of decorator. Here we have a function message which returns hello in lowercase. And we'll be creating a decorator function which will convert this message into uppercase, or we can say it will capitalize the message. So let me just comment it out and run this script. You can see it's returned hello in lowercase. Now let's connect this decorator with message, and now let me quickly run this. You can see hello in uppercase. Due to this decorator, it has converted this lowercase value into uppercase. So if your interviewer asks you like, can we connect multiple decorators with single function? Then the answer is yes, we can connect multiple decorators with the function. And that's a wrap for today's session. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights like this.